Hi, it's Ramesh, 𝗪𝗵𝘁 Today I share with you before you start website design and development, you need to know the stuff and you have a good result in your output. Okay. What the necessary things required to create a website? Create a website require a few necessary things to get started. Here are the essential element that you need to create a website. First is set a goal, an online store to sell your product. Second, a portfolio website to showcase your art. Third, a business website to manage and grow your business. Fourth, a resume website to grab the attention of potential employee. Fifth, blog to share your knowledge with the world. Sixth, an event website for wedding parties and company event. Seventh, fitness website to book new client. Eight, restaurant website to help with online order delivery and payment. Second was a brand name. A brand name need website designed to establish its online presence, attract and engage customer, and communicate its unique value proposition through an creative, pleasing and user-friendly interface. Third, claim your domain name. A domain name is a unique address that identify your website. You need to register a domain name to establish your online identity. Fourth, web hosting. Web hosting is a server that allow you to store your website files and make them accessible on the internet. You need to choose a reliable web hosting provider to ensure your website is available 24 into 7. Gather your content. Your website content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience. You need to create a high quality text, images, and videos to keep your visitor engaged. Content is important in website layout because it determines the organization, placement, and presentation of information. It guides the design process and influence the user experience. Content management system is CMS is a software application that allow user to create, manage, and publish digital content on a website. You should care about CMS because it's provided an easy and efficient way to manage your website content without running technical knowledge or expertise. It's also enable collaboration among multiple user and facilitates website update and maintains. Additionally, CMS can improve website performance, SEO, and user experience. What is website layout? A website layout is the visual representation of the arrangement and organization of various design elements on the web page. Those design elements may include content, images, videos, forms, buttons, menus, and their interactive features. A good website layout should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and user friendly, with a clear information and logical flow of content. The layout should also be represent responsive, meaning it should adjust to different screen size and device type of ensure a consistent and optimal user experience across different devices. Search engine optimization. SEO help your website rank higher in search engine result page. You need to optimize your website content structure and metadata to improve its visual in search engine. Analytics. Analytics tool help you track your website performance such as traffic, user behavior, and conversion rate. You need to set up analytics tool like Google Analytics to ensure your website success and identity area for improvement. There are the essential elements required to create a website. However, depending on your website goals, you may need to add more features and functionalities such as e-commerce, social media integration, or membership area.